or repetitive statements. Repetitive statements or repetitive statements. That is also correct. Repeated. In the spelling may be wrong. Maybe so. Repetitive statements. This is the area where we have discussed now. So there are three things here which you have to remember. Number one is while loop is there. First we study about while. Then we will discuss about do while and then for. First we study about while loop. Syntax for while is like this. Syntax is while is a keyword again. First we have to initialize the loop. Loop initialization is done. This is the first step. Then while test the condition. Test the if true, control transfers inside. It's here. Set of executable statements will be there. Set of statements will be executed. And at the last, loop counter increment or decrement is going to take place. Counter increment. What is that counter increment decrement? I'll discuss. And then close the brace. This is the syntax. In every program, you are going to see three things. Loop should be initialized and then gone for testing. If true, get inside and execute all these statements. And the last statement is loop counter increment or decrement. And again, after incrementing or decrementing a value, again gone for testing. Again, if true, get inside, run these statements. Again, counter increment or decrement, any one thing will happen. And then again, gone for testing. But if the testing is going to fail, then come out of the loop automatically. That is how while loop runs. Let us write one application, a program to display 1 to 10 numbers. I will do simple application. See. So normally remaining things are as usual. Hash include studio.h then we initialize. What is the first thing in the syntax? Loop initialization I am doing here. Comment, you can understand. Comments will not be considered by the compiler, right? Loop initialization is this statement. And I is equal to, I have to start from 1. The question is to display 1 to 10 numbers. I will put a comment, you can understand. Display 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 integers or numbers, whatever you call them. Okay. So this is the program. Let me initialize. I have to start from 1. Right. Loop is initialized. That is what is loop initialization. And then start with the while condition. While is a keyword, you can see the color of that. Within bracket, put a condition. I have to go up to I is less than or equal to 10. That is the limit, right? Close the brackets. This is the condition. See, condition is nothing but same thing. Just like in if condition I used, that is the condition. Then get inside, open brace. Now you want to display. For displaying, printf is a function representing monitor or screen or display unit, visual display unit, you call it as. So I want to display I value. I value is nothing but its format specifier is %d. And line by line I want to display. comma that is residing in I. So I. This you should be careful, the way of writing printf. So when you want to display some value or something like that, which is initialized earlier, so it consists of two parameters. So each and every parameter is separated by a comma. Two parameters are there. As part of first parameter, you write format specifier. It depends upon the variable which it belongs to. If it is a representing integer, obviously it is %t. And line by line, I want to display. And I is the variable in which value is stored every time. And then loop initializing. Of course, here let me put a comment. This is nothing but test the condition. Here is loop counter increment or decrement I have to give. Is it not? Very simple thing, nothing. Loop counter or increment operator you have to do here. That is nothing but, so first I will come. 1 is less than or equal to 10. True or false? Tell me.
True, sir.
True. True means get inside. So it will be displayed. I value. I is 1. First iteration. Iteration means repetition. In the first iteration, I value takes how much?
1.
1. And control transfers to next line or new line. Immediately I will increment. How to increment? You can use this, and some other options are available. You can also use this. Is it not?
Yes.
Don't forget putting a semicolon at the end. Otherwise, what is the other alternative? You can also try with how to write. I will put here itself. You can use I plus plus semicolon, or you can also try like this. I is equal to I plus 1, right? Or another way,
Yes.
I plus is equal to 1. In these many ways you can increment the value, so that now the current value of I is, don't forget what is the current value of I. Better I do like this. Just a minute. The, anyone is allowed here. All these are correct. Here, what exactly is happening to I right now? Initially, I is 1, true, because I is initialized with 1, true. True means
Remove.
you displayed I
Yes.
value, and then I will increment, I will become 2 in due course. 2, I became 2 right now, is it not? And again, don't leave. Just like classes in a college day 1. Day 1,
Yes, sir.
student went to college on first day, and classes happened after first class. Class will increment, first period, second period comes into picture. And again, that is also true. Total, for example, 10 periods are there, for instance. I again go for testing. 2 is less than or equal to 10. True. True means again getting inside, displaying 2 in the next line. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
And then again 2 will become this time 3.
3.
But you should not leave. I will put a brace here. You should not leave. Control will not leave, because as long as true, for example, 10 periods, first, second, third, fourth, 5, 10, after 10 it becomes false, then it comes array, like that. So 3 is also true. So again getting inside display 3, like that. It will happen up to 10. After 10, here also like that, it will happen up to 10. After 10, once it becomes 11, 11 gone for testing. Is it true? Tell me.
No, sir.
11 is less than or equal to 10. False. So control comes out of the while loop. Means here. Let us write get ch and let us close, and let me save the program with some name while1.c. Oh, it is there. Okay. Right. So now let us run the program. Got it? Got the output? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Same program, 10 to 1 numbers I want to display. See what I am doing. 10 to 1 numbers I want to display this time. Copy, file, new, edit, paste. Have you worked these 2 days on some programs at least?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So 10 to 1. I want to start from 10, not 1 this time. I want to start from 10 and I want to go up to 1. So from where I have to start? Let me initialize. That is 10. Just reverse the symbols, nothing great. Just reverse. And values also. I have to go up to 1. Is it true? Right?
Yes, yes, sir.
I started from 10 clearly and I'm going up to 1. Isn't it?
Yes,
And I'm displaying every value every time. So first 10 will be displayed. Because I is initialized with 10. 10 is greater than or equal to 1. True. True means control transfers inside. That 10 will be displayed. And then next line. Now 10 will become, now I should not give plus. What should I give? Tell me. I should give
minus.
minus minus. I told you na those operators. Pre-increment,
Yes,
post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement. I covered that
yes, sir.
area. Yes, same
Yes,
thing.
sir.
So here also alternatives are going to be minus minus I, or I is equal to I minus 1, or I minus is equal to 1, like that. These are the alternatives. Now I will become, what will be the value of I? 10 will become
9.
9, right? 9 gone for testing again. As long as testing is true, it should be there only. So 9 is greater than or equal to 1. True or false?
Yes, sir.
True.
True.
So getting inside, displaying 9 this time. Then after 9, 9 will become 8. Is it not? 9 will become
Yes.
8. And then 8 went for testing. That is also true.
Yes, sir.
And again display 8. And then 8 will become 7. Like that up to where?
1.
1. Once it becomes 1, it is also true. You are able to display 1 also. Is it not? You can
Yes, sir.
display 1 also. After that, 1 will become 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
But 0 is true or false?
False.
False means coming totally out of that. That's it. We can display. Let us save this. Oh, previous output. The problem is CLR, SCR. I have not
Yes.
given. So we can give that to avoid confusion with previous program result. Got it?
Yes, sir.
10 to 1. That's it. Now, next program. I want to print all the even numbers from 1 to 100. How do you do that? Let me try this. I want to display all the even numbers. Even numbers from 1 to 100. So, let us start. There are two ways for that. First, I will give the easiest way, but it is not that much good. I will discuss about the other way. Maybe a little bit difficult, but that is correct one. Both are correct, but the other one actually you can understand. Once I write this, you can understand. Because in the first method, our involvement is there. Programmers, human being involvement is there. But in the next program, less human being interpretation, more system interpretation is there, because we are learning on system. System should do work, but in the first program we are doing work. That is not good. Maybe easy, but this is not good. Correct, but not good. That is the only difference. Okay. So 1 to 100. So from where I have to start? Even
1.
numbers. No, don't start from. That is correct
1.
procedure, but I am going in another way. Na? I know that 2
Yes,
is
sir.
an even number. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
We all know that 2 is an even number. So let me start from
Yes.
here. That is another way. That is not good, I am telling you, because human being interpretation is there in this program. We are doing more than the system. System is doing, but system is doing little job. Human being is doing more of his brain work. Our brain work, this one. I is 2, right? Now let us test. How do you test? I should be less than or equal to? We should go up to
100.
right. Now inside, let me also do CLRS here. Now just print, is it not? Printer
Yes.
percentage t slash t I will give, because vertically if you print you cannot see the output properly, right? A lot of numbers will come, right? So that is all present inside I. Now, loop counter increment or decrement. I am using simple technique. I plus is equal to 2. What does it mean? Tell me. It is equal to, it is
2.
equivalent to, I is equal to, I can also give like this.
2.
This is also correct. This is also correct. What is that? I is equal to I plus 2. Means I used a shortcut assignment operator here. But is system doing? No, I am doing this. This formula I have given here. What is that? I is equal to I plus 2, or I plus is equal to 2. Because even number skips. Like if 2 is an even number, I have started so that you have to skip by one number. That's why I have given like that. Is it not? Now I'm
Yes.
closing this, and after that let me give it ch and close it again. Save this. Event.c. Right, let me run this. I'll explain this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so and so up to 100. So how it
Yes.
runs? Just test the program. Loop initialization is there. Testing the condition is there.
Yes, sir.
And then counter increment or decrement is there.
Yes, sir.
As per syntax, all the three things are there. Fine. I is initialized by 2. And then 2 gone for testing. 2 is less than or equal to 100. True or false?
Yes, sir.
True. True means get inside and display 2. After that, some tab space. And then here it will become 2 will become
3.
how
4.
3? I is, if you
4.
expand I plus is equal to 2. I is equal to I plus 2. Here it is. That's why I have given this also. You can see here. Got it? Don't get confused. You have to work on this. Simple, nothing great. If you practice a couple of times,
Yes.
it will become easier for you. Right. So it will be 4 right now. Again 4 gone for testing or not? As long
Yes,
as
sir.
true, it should go for testing. Again 4 is also true. We'll get 4 here. And then 4 will become
6.
6. Like
6.
that, like that, like that. And again 6 will be displayed. 6 is true. Like that up to 100. After 100, it will become 102. But 102 will fail. Is it not?
Yes.
So
Yes,
getting out
sir.
of the loop. Getting out of the loop simply. But we are doing, I told you, more than system.
Yes.
This is human beings idea. This is also human beings interpretation. Then where is systems action? Only printing that. Simple calculations and printing that. Is it not? So I'll give you a better program than
Yes, sir.
this. So we will do a better program than this. See the next one. This is also even numbers. Again, this time I want to test all 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, let me start with 1 instead of 2, because I don't know which is even, which is odd. I know only one formula, that is, what is that formula? You know that. There is another way to calculate whether a given number is even or not. What is that condition? Tell me. And I have to go up to I is less than or equal to 100. That is okay, normal. But inside while, see what I am doing. If I percentile 2, you know that,
Yes, sir.
is equal to what? Tell me what. I percentile 2. If I can equate with what? It will be even. For example, 8. Even or odd, tell me.
Even.
How can you tell? Divide that 8 percentile 2. What is the reminder?
4.
Reminder,
0.
reminder.
0.
8
0.
divided by 2. 2 fours are 8. 4 is quotient.
8.
0 is the
Yes, sir.
reminder.
0.
And percentile operator means you are testing reminder or quotient?
Reminder.
Reminder, right. I think somebody is there along with you.
No, sir.
Right. I percentile 2 is equal to 0. Right. So if it is true, what you have to find, you have to display I value. Is it not? If true, if I percentile 2 is equal to 0, for example, test for 1, is it true or false? While condition is
False.
true. While condition is
Yes.
okay, na? 1 is less than or
Yes, sir.
equal to 100. True? 1 is less than
Yes,
or
sir.
equal
True.
to 100. True. Now test the if condition inside.
Yes.
1 percentile 2. Is the remainder 0?
No, sir.
No. So don't display that. Because 1 is not even. You cannot display this. Then it will increment. I will give the full code. Just a minute. Percentage D. If true, it will be displaying that number. And here comes I. And then see what I am doing. I am incrementing I. Just normal increment. Okay. Now see what I am doing. That's all. Now see. This may be a little bit difficult in the beginning to understand, but later on you can easily understand. So as event2.c. Right. So first now you please test for 1. Is it true or false? 1. Let us start
False.
again. 1, 1, 1, 1.
True.
1 true. Got inside. What about this?
False.
False. So inside if condition, how many statements are there?
1.
Only one statement. That's why you cannot, you are saying false. So shall I display that I value or not?
No.
No, no, no. I should be incremented. Now what is the current value of I?
2.
2. Again 2 gone for testing. True or false?
True.
Right. Again 2 percentile 2.
Yes.
Reminder 0 or not?
Yes.
Yes. So getting inside, you are displaying 2 first time, you are displaying 2. Right? And again 2 will become
Yes.
3.
3.
And 3 gone for testing. True.
Yes, sir.
And again 3 percentile 2. Is it 0?
False.
False. So need not display. Is it not? Skip that.
Yes, sir.
So 3 will become
4.
4. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Again 4 percentile 2.
Yes, sir.
So can display
Yes, sir.
like that up to 100. After 100, 101. 101. Is it true?
False.
So totally coming out.
False.
So what is the difference between previous program and this program? In this program, every number gone for testing or not? Every number. Hmm? In this program, every number gone for
Yes, sir.
testing? Yes. Whereas in the previous program, every second number is tested. Is it
Yes,
not?
sir.
That is the difference. So which is
Yes,
better? You
sir.
can understand. Where is more human interaction?
No.
This program or in the last program,
Yes.
more
Yes, sir.
brain is there. More human
Yes.
brain. Means you have to remember that I have to start from 2. Then what system will do? It won't check that. But here every number system is checking. More load is there on the system. You are giving more work to system than yourself. You are just remembering simple if condition and this percentile logic. Only one percentile logic you are remembering. Other things every time you are incrementing by 1 unit. Simply every number gone for testing, isn't it? Like that.
Yes.
Now, can you try for odd numbers? How do you work on odd numbers this time?
Yes.
Same program. How do you try for odd? I will copy this otherwise. Can you try or shall I tell that as you wish?
Try.
Try Yastara. Right. Okay. Okay. You can try that. Odd numbers you try. Means you have to start from same logic. But here, what is the difference? Otherwise, I'll do one thing. Let me do that. You may get problem there. I will do that. Other logic you try. Okay. Two logics are there.
Yes.
The easiest logic you try. This one I will dictate. See, same story. But here, in place of is equal to, can I write not equal to?
Yes.
So whenever remainder is not equal to 0, it will get inside. Is it not? Means
Yes.
1. 1 divided by 2. Is the remainder 0 or not 0?
No.
Not 0 means you
Not
can display.
zero.
Yeah, you can display. And again, 2, the next time 2. 2 gone for testing. 2 percentage 2. Remainder is not 0? No. 2 percentage 2. Remainder is 0. But I am saying not 0, get in. Got it? So 2 will not be printed. Again 2 will
Zero.
become, yeah, again 2 will become 3. 3 gone for testing. 3 percentile 2. Not equal to 0, no? True, na? Not equal to 0. 3 percentage 2. Hmm? So 3 will be displayed. Like that up to
Yes.
up to up to 99. After 99,
Yes.
it will become 100. So 100 means 100 gone for testing. True, got inside.
Yes.
But 100 false, it cannot be displayed. Is it not? And then 101 will come into picture. 101, is it failing here? 101. 101 is less than or equal to 100. False. Come out of the loop like that. Hello? Okay, you got some connection problem it seems. Hello? Any problem? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue or any problem? Hello, I cannot hear you.
Hello?
I cannot hear you properly.
No,
Some voice breaking. Voice is breaking. Let me try. Is it problem with my speaker or
Hello?
hello? Just I will try with this.
Continuous network problem.
Hello? Hello?
No, network problem.
Network problem is there, I think. Shall I close for today? Otherwise, you are having problem, it seems. Hmm?
Network
Yeah, some network
problem.
problem is there from your end, I think, today. Shall I close for today? Seems you had network problem. Shall I close?